Alright, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So this will be a full video tutorial on how to use Fastmoss TikTok analytics tools, and then I'm gonna explore different features that we have on Fastmoss so that you'll be able to decide on how to navigate on the platform and how to do product research, and also check on your competitors, or maybe see creators that you actually like and you want to replicate the kind of product they are uploading on their own TikTok shops. So, and another offer I have for you in this video is the fact that I have a special link in the description, which of course you can actually use to navigate for on Fastmoss for 7 days free trial, which of course you don't have to pay any money for this. So you can see the pro plan is going to be free for 7 days, and the basic plan is going to be free for 7 days as well. And then for the ultimate plan, you have to be paying $14 for 7 days, right? And you can access all these features right here. That's if you use the special link in the description, right? And also I want to show you something, right? So if you use the link in this description, and if you are not from in the United States, you are from maybe UK or Spain or Mexico, then you can navigate and you'll be able to see your own actual price that you're going to be paying right there, right? So let's go back to the main page. And also, yeah, I'm running a pro account, as you can see on the top right here, which of course I have access to almost most of these features. And I also make a video competition about Fastmoss and one of their the contender in the market. So you can check out the video on the top right, or check on the channel, then you'll be able to see the video, right? So I'm currently on the dashboard right here. As you can see the US product rank. So these are the products that are ranking in the United States as at when I'm making this video. So you can see the sales rank, you can see the order rank, and you can see the most promoted product right here. And if I want to see more, I can click on see more right here to see much more product based on sales rank, order rank, and then the most promoted product on TikTok shops. So this tool is actually giving us data not only about Fastmoss but about TikTok shops entirely, and they are able to get all the order in place so that you'll be able to know how much this product is generating on a monthly basis and how much this product is actually growing day by day or on a monthly basis as well. And we also have the market insight, so you can see what product they are launching and how each product are actually performing on a daily basis right here. So let me click on market insight, then you're gonna see almost everything right here. So you can see this is daily, it says all category, which of course you're gonna be seeing every category and the product that are actually selling. You can see the product number, distinct product, a number of TikTok product with other under this category, right? So you can see shoppable live, then you can see shoppable videos, so, and then you can see affiliate, shoppable live, and all new products that are uploading per day. You can see almost 250 products are uploading per day, right? Then you can see the TikTok shops overview, so you can see the trend as it's going up and down. So these are the one I'm actually seeing right here, which is daily average in the last 28 days. So if I select this one, it's gonna bring the chart, then select this one as well, then select this one. I think I can actually select two at the same time, so yeah, that's why it's showing that way. And if I scroll down, you're gonna see each category that are actually trending and how they are performing on the TikTok shop. You can see the sub market sales, so beauty and personal care is actually growing. Then you can see women's wear and underwear. You can see the current market trade, how it's going up and down. You can see right here, you can see the version fashion and accessories, health, home supplies, phone and electronics, right? So, and these are data of the last 28 days. And if you scroll all the way, then you're gonna see category price distribution right here. So then you can see the rank based on United States TikTok shop market ranking, right? You can see, just like we see right here, you can see beauty and personal care. So you can see beauty and personal care. This is the top, this is number one product that people are buying in this category, right? Number of product, there's a drop in last 24 hours, and if I click on this drop down, then you're gonna show more of other products that are going up in the last 24 hours. So if I click on back again, so it's gonna go back, right? So that is how this is done, and how you can find your own do your own market research on what you're actually looking for, right? So we also have a live section right here, which of course there is live search, there is TikTok live rank, there is TikTok top live product, and we also have top live creator. So if it's set on the live search, then we're gonna see different products from different creators and how they are actually performing. So this is a general category, so there is no specific category right here. So it's based on all the products on TikTok shops. So if you scroll, I'm gonna see this particular creator right here, followers 7.7 million followers, and then you can see all the data and how much this creator is making on a monthly basis, which is last 28 days. But then this is last 7 days actually, right? You can see if I navigate to the last 28 days, the data is gonna change. You can see right here from to something to 300 from another creator right here. You can see the creator have already changed, and if I navigate to the 90 days, then the creator will change as well. So this already changed right here, right? So you can see the revenue, this $2.1 million revenue from this creator right here, right? But if you are actually trying to do a data research or product research, so I'll suggest you do last 90 days and last 28 days. And if you want to follow the trend, you can do the last 7 days to see what product is trending, and if you can actually jump on it as fast as possible. So these are the creator info right here. So you can check on their TikTok account to see what kind of product they are actually what kind of more product they're actually promoting on their platform, right? So that is how it's done, and you can promote multiple products. I believe you know that. So that is just for the live search. And TikTok live rank, you also see how they are ranking as well. So live duration was 5 hours, and how much was generated, you can see over $100,000 and 2,000 plus units sold of product, right? You can see this is really amazing. So you're gonna see how the product are getting sales and the kind of product they are promoting as well. So this one was 21 minutes, right? This one is 21 minutes, and how much was generated? 45k. All right, so you can see how much they are generating right there. So Fastmoss give you much more insight as well, so you know which of the products you actually interested in promoting. So the top live product are these. So these are the products that people are promoting to make money on the platform. You can see this is the product, which is women's wear from this particular creator or shop as well. So you can see this is a shop, and this is how much that was generated, and 1,000 units sold. There is another product that was trending, 12,000 made, and over 400 units sold from this shop. And scroll all the way down, these are the top 10, and you can see there is much more page to navigate to, but then we're not gonna do that, just not to waste more of your time, so that you can jump on it as fast as possible, right? So we're gonna check on the top live creators, so we can see the creators right there. So this is number one creator, Mary Roots. You can see right there. This is another one. This is another one. These are the top 3, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see how much they are also generating right there. You can see right there. You can see right there. These are the product. You can see right there the product This one is not showing product. This another one, like maybe video review, and this is another one right here, which is an element or something like that, right? So then that is just for the live section. So we also have product. We have product search, product, top selling product, new listed product, fulfilled by TikTok, most promoted product, and we also have video product rank. And we also have creator, we have shops, we have ads, we have video, we have favorite, and all that, right? So all these things actually give us much insight on how to go about it. But then I'm going to be showing you much more product, which of course I believe is very important, and it will also make you help you to make an informed decision on which product you should actually promote. So let's check on the product search. Right, so these are the product search based on Fastmoss, which of course product that people are actually searching, and you can see how much this product has already generated in the last 7 days. I mean, this is the commission rate on this product. So if you sell this product for $5.25, you're gonna make 12% out of it. So 12% is around, I guess, maybe $1, $1.10 or $1.15, maybe $1.05 actually, right? $1.05 so as profit, right? The product is not actually cost, and imagine how much this product have generated in the last 7 days, right? So here you can see the product details right here. So let's check on the product details. Right, this is the product. You can see the image of the product in food and beverages. So you can see product popularity score 97%. So how much has been generated with this product, and total sold items sold so far on this product. So you can see what I'm talking about. Like Fastmoss give you access to see almost everything you're actually looking for, and to get started with TikTok shop right there. Right, so if you also scroll down and see some other product right here, I don't know, maybe it's an handkerchief or something like that. Then this another product, then to clean your hair, then this another product. So we have 10 products on this page right here. And if you watch one of my video about, I think I was doing competition about Kelo Data and Fastmoss there, then I was able to see this particular video right here, right? So that is how to check some product. And we also have the top selling product, which of course it will also help you to know which particular product you would like to promote. So if you want to promote best top selling product, you can also navigate to this page, and then you'll be able to see different products, which of course you can jump up to and start making money as fast as possible. Right, I don't want to dwell on it, but then you can check on the new listed product, which of course they are very new in the market. They have not generated much sales, but if you notice that this product is actually amazing, you can jump on it as fast as possible. And you can see right here, this is 3 days units sold, and this is how much this product has generated right there. You can see this is a good product, I guess. This is another one. It's not showing the picture. This is another one. This is another product. This is another one. This is another one. And if you keep scrolling all the way, you're able to see different products. And like I said, I'm running a pro account, so I'm able to have access to all these features right here. Right, so this one is fulfilled by TikTok. So I think these are the product that most delivered or something like that. So this one product, this is another one. So we're gonna be seeing almost 10 products on this particular page, and you see how much the products have generated and how many units has been sold so far. Right, this one also makes sense. Then this is the most promoted product. So just like you're trying to sell a product on the platform, and then you're trying to promote it so that you'll be able to get sales as fast as possible. So these are the products that are being promoted by people on the platform. So this one right here, this one right here. So you're gonna see units sold, commission rate with 15%. That's not bad. Then total affiliates on that product, then you'll see everything right here. And if you want to check much more info about that product, you click on that something like cards. Well, this is really amazing. This is a good product, right? So the popularity score is 30%, which means I told you that this product is actually new. So this most promoted, sorry. So these are the product that you actually need to promote, and I believe it's still growing. So of course you can jump on it. All right, so we also have video product rank. So this will be video from creators. You can see right here, video from creators that are ranking. This is 4 million views, this is 1.8 million views, this is 4.8 million views, and this is almost a million, this is 10 million, and this is 600,000, 1.6, 2.2, 1 million, and 1 million. So the reason why some of these products are ranking lesser, I guess they generate less revenue, or maybe the followers are much lesser than the other. So on this particular product right here, you can see this product have 4.1 million views, and it has generated almost $300,000, right? And then you can see the total view on this product in the last, they are not showing the last day, the total number of the days. So that's how you can navigate to see all this product right here. So we also have the creator section, which is growth rank. That's pages that are growing day by day. So if you check on this one, on this icon right here, you can see creator details. So if I click on that, it's gonna show us much more details about that particular creator. And this creator focus on electronics, as you can see right here. So you can see showcase status, active, non-contracted, and then first video posted last year 2024, then traffic index 100%. And you can also send a message to this particular creator right here. You can see creator contact, you can send a message right here, and that's because I'm running a pro account, right? That's why I'm able to see these features right there. All right, so if you also scroll, I'm gonna see much more details and much more data insight about this creator in the last 28 days. So it go up and drop again. Then you're gonna see people that are buying or engaging in our content. You can see 70% of female, 18% of male. Then country, top country, California, Texas, New York, Florida, and age group is between 18 to 24 years old, right? So these are videos. So you can see top 5 hashtags, extra challenge, mantra challenge, then I think that's her name. And if you also scroll down, you're gonna see much more videos that she is posting right there. You can see almost everything, right? So this is really amazing. So going back to this page, which is e-commerce rank, verified creator rank, and trending creators. So there are a lot of features which of course I believe you yourself can also explore around Fastmoss, and I believe you'll be able to gain one or two and also be able to find what you are actually looking out for. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to reply to your question. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to use the link in the description, because it's gonna help you to get a discount on the platform, so that you're gonna be paying less and get high value of for your money. Thank you.